Hello! In this lesson, we will learn how to use market orders in the trading platform. The market order is a common and very useful order. The order types, along with share size and buy and sell buttons, are located in the market depth window, sometimes referred to as order entry window or level 2. Select the type of order in the market depth window if the market order is not the default order already. Later in this video, I will show you how to change the default settings. Note the different types of orders. Refer to the video playlist to see the corresponding videos for each order type. Let's say I want to trade JPM. Left-click the chart, type in JPM, and press enter. Alternatively, I can type the stock ticker directly into the symbol lookup box. Make sure you have selected the appropriate order type, in this case, market order, and you have designated the amount of shares you wish to trade. I will type 200 shares. As you can see, I can short or sell the stock, but in this case, I will click buy. Now we can see our open position in the positions panel, including information about the open position. This information is customizable. To customize the information you want to see, right-click on the top header portion of the window and select the criteria you wish to show or hide. No checkmark will hide the information from your view. A check mark will only show the information you have selected. To cover the position we are in, there are a few options afforded to us. We can go to the positions panel and double-click on the position. By double-clicking on the position, we have a close position box that pops up. We can close the positions right here with the default amount of shares already preloaded, or if we wish to take a partial amount of our position, click the quantity to close and type it in. In this case, I will type 100 shares and select close. For future trades, if you wish to double-click on the open position in the positions panel and have it close immediately without the pop-up box, you would deselect show next time. I suggest if you utilize the partial strategy when trading to leave this box selected. Notice we have 100 shares remaining of our original 200 share lot. Earlier, we mentioned the ability to make a particular order type the default that the platform will use. To set the order type defaults, select Settings, then select Trading Defaults, select the order type, then click OK. This concludes the video on market orders. Check out the video playlist to see more. Thanks for watching.